So here's all the yarns I've prepared, ready strung with beads for the workshop starting next week. I'm going to be putting these in sets of 3, describing them in 3 batches. So this will be set 1, these 15, set 2, and then set 3. A bit annoying that I've got some in the shadow and some in the light, but you know, this is the only opportunity I've got for doing this, so it is just going to have to do. So we're going to start with this set here. Let's start with set number 1. We've got jade with just some silver lined, classic silver lined beads. Set number 2 is a baby blue with some mixed Toho beads there. Set number 3 is ginger gold, and we've got a mix of solid gold and gold lined, which looks really nice. Set number 4, shocking pink with some silver lined pink beads. Again, Toho. This set number 5, set number 5 is champagne, and we have got crystal gold lined. It's rather nice. Then we got set number 6, which is petal peach, and we've got a mixture of sort of different greys and rainbow effects, and a pearlized bead there as well. Then we've got scarlet, and we have got lined frosted ruby glass beads. That might be quite a nice sort of Christmassy one. Next up we have got bluebird, and this has got rather a nice sort of matte, sort of rainbowy coloured bead, which is a Toho, but I haven't actually written on there what that is. All the labels fallen off. Next up we have got caramel. Just turn them over so you can see the ball band number. And this is a rather nice, another nice bead. This is metallic iris brown. Number 10, we've got topaz. This is a really interesting bead actually. We've got jonquil, I never know how to pronounce that, hyacinth lined. It's very pretty. Number 11, I love this colour, watermelon. We've got a mixture of garnet and ruby lined beads here, so just a very subtle, if I can get it in the light, you can see a very subtle 2 colours there. Next up we've got another jade, and we've got some transparent aqua rainbow beads. Get it in the light. These are very pretty actually. These look a bit better in the shade. You can see they're kind of transparent, but they've got a little bit of a iridescent finish on there. Here we've got a lovely bright tangerine, actually it's called. And again, this is an interesting colour, and these are actually Miyuki beads. You get slightly less for your money with these, but I have made sure you've got enough. So this is a transparent light topaz with an AB. For those of you in the jewellery industry, you'll know that that means Aurora Borealis. Set number 14 is petrol blue. We have got these quite nice sort of pearlized light grey beads, which are called Ceylon Dark Seafoam. Set number 15 is light orchid, and here we've got a lined frost light tanzanite bead there, very nice. Champagne, and we've got a nice mix here of different greens. Everyone that's a fan of green. Here we've got Mercury, which is a grey, and then we've got a pearlized bead here, which is a Ceylon Smoke. Nice grey pearlised bead. Next up here we have got Bluebird again. And we've got this really nice transparent cobalt rainbow bead. It's a nice sort of, kind of like a heliotrope, isn't it really? Tropic. With another pearlised turquoise luster bead. It's quite subtle because it's very similar colour. And we got this Tyrian purple, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. And we've got transparent crystal rainbow beads. Very nice. 21. This is called Silver Blue. It's kind of more of a green really, but anyway. And this has got a nice golden lined crystal. Next up, number 22, we've got a green yellow with a classic silver lined bead there. And then we've got number 23, which is apricot. And this has got inside colour diamond orange, 2 colours in the inside of this, so that's quite an interesting colour bead there. Here we've got candy apple, which is like a nice red, and we've got gold lined black diamond beads on this one. That's quite nice, maybe also quite a Christmassy one maybe. Here again we have got, actually I don't think we've had this one before, lilac mist. It's actually kind of quite grey, and again we've got this transparent cobalt rainbow bead for that one. Then we've got number 26, petrol blue, and a nice mixture of beads here. We've got silver lined, matte, and some pearlised, so I don't know if I show that in the light. Quite pretty. And again this Tyrian pink, and we've got quite a sort of moody black diamond rainbow bead there. Very nice. Making a bit of a mess of these. And we've got English tea with this very interesting topaz and sea foam frosted lined bead, so that's very pretty. Got another tropic, this time with a mixture of sort of AB and pearlised beads there. Yellow green again, or green yellow, I think it's yellow green, and this time we've got which is one of my favourite colours, silver lined olivine, which is a really nice green. So this is topaz, and we've got this really nice, you can't really see it in the picture, but it's kind of got it's a milky white bead with a gold silver lined milky white bead, but it is actually kind of like a slightly gold colour there on the inside. Anyway, it's very nice. So that was number 31. 32, we've got this silver blue again. Kind of feel is a greeny colour. Anyway, I've paired it up with this green transparent rainbow dark peridot, which is this nice iridescent bead. Then we've got vivid blue again with another mix. So this is one of those AB mixes, and it's just got some of those silver lined ones thrown in there. That's quite attractive. Next up we've got I think this is apricot again, yes, apricot, and I've got a mixture of pearlised silver line and a sort of matte antique here, so that's really pretty. Number 35 is mercury, and we've got a mixture of sort of AB pearlised and silver lined grey beads, so that's lovely. This one is soft rose, and again I've got a mix here of rainbow, AB, silver lined pinks there, pretty. This is old lace. And here again we've got a mixture of pearlized, milky and like a silver, like a gold lined bead there. I think it's really quite subtle but attractive. Next up we've got another, I seem to have bought a lot of these light orchid colours. I think one year a very popular colour, and this is I think this is an amethyst lined, silver amethyst lined bead, yeah. So there's that. And then number 39 is saffron, and this has just got a very classic gold lined topaz bead. Number 40, again we got watermelon. This is a great colour, and I've just used a silver line rosaline for that because I thought that went quite well. 41, we've got soft sage. This is a lovely colour. I don't think I've ever got this one before. And we've got silver lined olivine with that, so that's a nice colour. This is ruby. This colour's ruby, and we've got some hot pink lined crystal here. So that's kind of got a bit of an AB finish. Dark olive. With these, again, these are lovely, these metallic iris brown beads. Hopefully you can see all the slightly subtle different colours there. Then we've got Capri blue with, and again, a mixture of sort of pearlized. Is any pearlized in there? No, I think we've got some silver lined and some sort of matte colours there, along with a sort of rainbow AB finish, so that's pretty. And then last but not least, number 45 is and again light orchid, and we've got a mixture of beads there again, which is silver lined AB beads, very in shades of purple. It's very pretty. So there you go. That's the full lot now, all in a mess. What you'll need to do is go to the web page, which I'll link below, and please complete the form. You need to choose your 3 preferences. I'll try and do your first choice, obviously, but I'm running 3 sessions of this class. Colour choices will come on a first come first served basis. If you don't let me know what you want, you can simply choose any of the leftover, any of these kits that have not been claimed.